Hello friends! This is a handmade boiled egg pilling setup. Let's start the motor. Initially, it is necessary to lubricate the rubber pipes with normal water. Make cracks on the boiled egg cover and put it on the roller. Gently push the egg downward. It is working fine. These two acrylic plates support the egg as braces. Lubricate the contacts for smooth operation. Don't touch the rollers with finger while motor is active. Here is the motor drive system. I have used 2 pulleys and a rubber belt. This is a table fan motor, which runs on 230 volt AC supply. The rollers are moving smoothly. I have glued a piece of rubber strip to get a belt, which is derived from an old bicycle tube. The small pulley is made of PVC pipes and firmly attached with the steel rod. After welding, I have screwed it with the pulley. You can use PVC pipes and super glue to make your desired pulley.